Have you ever heard that cracking your knuckles can cause arthritis? This is a common myth that many people believe, but it is actually not true. Studies have shown that cracking your knuckles does not lead to arthritis. When you crack your knuckles, you are making a popping sound by releasing gas bubbles in the fluid around your joints. It may be annoying to others, but it is not harmful to your joints. So go ahead and crack your knuckles if you want to, just be mindful of those around you who may not appreciate the sound.